Hey guys, Jen here of Gadget Pilipinas. Today we're going to unbox the Rokid Glasses. This is the latest AI glasses from Rokid. I got this from Rokid Philippines. I bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So let's go ahead and unbox this. The Rokid Glasses is one of the new products of Rokid, and it is basically a competitor to the Meta Glasses and even G1. Ang difference ito sa Ray-Ban Meta Glasses Gen 2 is that this one has a camera, this one also has a camera, albeit a little bit better based on specifications, but the AI on this one works here in the Philippines compared to the AI on the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. Very basic yung pwede mong gawin dito sa Meta Ray-Ban glasses Gen 2 because here in the Philippines, hindi siya officially available. So if you're going to buy one here, medyo basic yung pwede mong makuha na features with the Ray-Ban glasses. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. So ito siya, leave nobody behind. Made for iPhone, but it does work also on Android. I do have the iPhone with me here. Alright, so now let's unbox it. Here. One of the notable things that I see here is that sobrang gaan ng Rokid glasses. But the difference here is that it doesn't come with a rechargeable or charging case rather. It's not a charging case, but rather they'll give you a charging cable, which is proprietary to the Rokid glasses. So ito yung kanyang para sa nose bridge. Kasama siya na extra, I believe. And you also have here the cable. This is the proprietary cable that I mentioned. Yan siya. Then that's pretty much everything inside this tiny little box right here. And then we have, of course, the Rokid glasses inside. We'll get into that later. So let's go ahead and check out this part. So you have the user manual, safety, warranty, and a cleaning cloth. Now they do also sell prescription glasses here in the Philippines which attaches magnetically to the Rokid glasses. I'll be getting that. I have astigmatism pero sobrang liit lang, no? Barely an issue for me if I don't have it, and it's optional, but I will be requesting something from them para at least matry din natin how it works. Okay? But in the meantime, ito yung laman lahat ng package. Let's put this aside and let's move on to the Rokid glasses. So the Rokid glasses is, again, as I mentioned, it's an AI glass. What I got is a clear, I believe it's only available in clear versions. At hindi rin siya transitions. Now, what's interesting here is that since this is basically a competitor to the Meta glasses or Meta display rather, this has micro LEDs. Some people might find it a little bit bothering kasi meron kang para nakikita na kulay green when you're talking to someone. Now, in the case of the Meta display, the micro LED on that one is on the right side. Now, if you compare that to the Rokid glasses, ay ito dalawa to. No? Sabi nila it's a little bit more comfortable when using. Now you have here the 12 megapixel camera on the right side, and you have an indicator light naman on left side ito rather, and you have an indicator light naman on the right side. Nose bridge right here. You can actually use this replacement if you want to, kung sakali makita mo na may wear and tear. And the charging cable is right over here. They sell the charging case separately. So if you want to buy that, you may also do that. I'm not sure if Rokid Philippines is already selling the separate case, but this is the proprietary cable. So I do not suggest, and it is a must not to lose this because it is important na lagi mong bitbit to at dapat hindi mo mawala kasi this is proprietary. This attaches to, there you go, it's here. Attaches here magnetically. No, I wonder though if you can actually wear and then may nakasabit dito na if you can use it, if you can charge it while using it. I have yet to find out later on. But what I really like about this, it's very, very light. If I compare this with the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2, this is a much I believe heavier This one is only 49 grams, and it does have 12 megapixels, full AI functionality paired to your smartphone. You have down-firing speakers, I believe, just like the Meta Ray-Ban. And to turn it on, let's go ahead and see how we can turn it on. I press and held this button at lumabas na yung Rokid na icon. I don't know if you can see it here on the screen, but it kind of a little bit bothering for some people kasi nakikita niyo para may konting glare na gano'n. That's actually what I am seeing right now. Mas malino nga siya, no? Crisp siya. It says here, glasses, and I can just simply go to the glasses, Rokid Glasses app. Speaking in Chinese right now. It's now talking to me in English. Nag-switch siya. Let me just register. Alright, so now that we signed up for the account, it says here buying glasses, allow, check the following, glasses found, let's pair it, pair, and allow once. Okay, to wake up the AI assistant, please hi Rokid. Okay. What is the weather like today here in Manila? That's very interesting. It just gave me information about the weather today, and medyo confusing lang siya kasi when it told me about the weather, it's 31 degrees to 34 degrees. It's 31 Shifo. So parang nag-Chinese English siya because it doesn't have the direct translation of the Celsius. It should have said Celsius, but instead it said 31 C4. Things that can, of course, be improved later on because it's using ChatGPT. It's also using from Alibaba, and also I believe DeepSeek can also be integrated in the future. Now, in terms of camera performance naman, I have yet to find it out. We will be knowing that in the future, but I will be taking some photos today. I will be attending some events. It's 49% right now yung battery niya, no? And I think it should last me for about 2, maybe 4, 5 hours, depende. Now, it says here, press the function button once. Okay, let's see. Tingnan natin dito. That's amazing. Paka futuristic. Now, press and hold the function button naman. Let's do that now. Let's do it again. This is a sample video recording using the Rokid Glasses. I am now shooting. Now, I can shoot 1 minute maximum video. It says right here. I'm not sure if I can change it, pero I can see it sa ilalim, no? Palagay doon. 15 seconds, 16. So may counter ako, and if I want to stop, I can just simply press the button once. Cool. Thank you. Ooh. Wow. Play music, tap the touchpad once. Let me do that. Oh, AI assistant is right over here. Let me just skip back and return to that later on. I'll skip the tutorial, ensure your safety, protect others' privacy, camera LED light will turn on automatically, and other reminders. Great job, completed. Okay, so walk through tayo ng application niya. Let me just record this. Okay, so this is the application, and I asked this earlier. And then if I click home, I have further controls of the volume, brightness, tips translation, teleprompter, recording, notification, and all. Gallery for the photos that I took and videos that I took. It should show up here. I can import. I don't know if there's an auto import. That's really cool. I have settings for the photo. It says here 3/4, 9:16, and 4:3. I have the option to export them. And then also I have further styles. Meron din siya na watermark. Really nice. And it has also auto horizon calibration. For video, I can do Ultra HD 30 FPS. Not sure if there's 60 FPS in the future, but let's see. I can use it with the watermark, but I will hide that for now. Ambient light power efficiency. This is what I shot earlier. Rokid Glasses right there. For the video. This is a sample video recording using the... Not bad, not bad. App settings. App permission settings, allowed naman lahat. Bluetooth permission, motion fitness, allow natin din yan if needed. But I think that would have an impact on battery life. Hi Rokid. Give me a brief history of the Anglican Church and how it defected from the Catholic Church.
The Anglican Church, also known as the Church of England, originated in the 16th century during a period of religious upheaval in Europe known as the
Medyo hindi lang niya na-pick up yung sinabi kong defected, sabi niya affected, but that's okay. This is really interesting. No? I like it. First quick impressions ko, this further in a way brings really nice AI things to a lot of users. Congratulations to Rokid Philippines for bringing this over here, and hopefully no, may mga bumili nito sa inyo kasi marami kayong pwedeng makuhang kliyente because this lacks a lot of features right now if you have this in the Philippines. Yes, you can take photos and videos, you can integrate this like notifications from Facebook and Instagram because this is a Meta product. But there's a lot of potential here. Successful sila sa Kickstarter nila dito at sana maging successful din sila for their retail release. This has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. Let me know your thoughts about the Rokid Glasses. Bibili ba kayo for the price of 38,000 pesos? Kukuha ba kayo ng Rokid Glasses or you think it's too steep? The price of which is as much as the price of the Meta Ray-Ban. Not the Meta display, because the Meta display would cost you around 50,000 pesos. That's a little bit more expensive. Let me know your thoughts. See you in the next one.